Hi, I'm Florence, an Assistant Project Manager working on a large-scale data centre construction project on the outskirts of London. I studied General Engineering at the University of Sheffield, and I chose this degree because I'm a generalist. I thrive on learning a variety of different things, and with this degree, the full range of engineering was available. We studied the breadth instead of the depth of engineering, which means I now have knowledge in many subject areas like mechanical, electrical, chemical and civil, and many other areas of engineering. My journey with MiCiM started whilst I was at university. I was looking for a summer placement and applying to a range of different roles such as project management. I was accepted by MiCiM to join their summer placement, and this was excellent. It was well balanced between learning about the industry but also learning what it's like to have a professional job. I started with an initial week at head office and then did 3.5 weeks on a project management job, client side, where I got to visit 2 sites and work in client offices. I then did 3.5 weeks on a construction management job, which was entirely site-based in porter cabins. I wrapped up my placement with a final week at head office where we discussed the possibility of returning after graduation. I received my invitation to return as an assistant project manager a few months later and accepted immediately. Since starting in September, I've become an integral part of my team and I now manage the project RFIs and risk register. During my time at university, I found myself wanting a career that utilised my soft skills as well as the technical engineering skills I picked up throughout my degree. At uni, I was in a lot of group projects and always found myself falling into a leadership position and excelling in these roles, and this skill set shares an overlap with project management. I think also being a generalist means I'm well suited to a career in the data centre sector as I have a wide range of engineering knowledge. MiCiM is a great company to work for. The company culture instills a very positive and supportive work environment. I have particularly enjoyed getting to know people from all over the company, and the company is the perfect size for this. Everyone is very approachable and will help you with anything you need. I've also enjoyed my project recently as I've gained some extra responsibility, but I'm really loving the fast pace and being busy. I have learnt the importance of organisation and taking notes, and allocating time to go back and check over these notes. Without this, it can be very easy for things to fall through the cracks. With regards to technical knowledge, I learnt a lot on my summer placement and have carried this through and expanded upon this in my current role. I've also learnt how to interact with different stakeholders, such as clients, contractors, and also people out on site. I know I still have a lot to learn, but I really appreciate that the company and industry promote the importance of learning. The phrase, "every day's a school day," really is true at MiCiM. Interdisciplinarity was emphasised in my degree, and data centres are an excellent example of this. Many fields of engineering intersect in the construction of a data centre. Civil and structural engineering feed into the building fabric, and housed inside are many complicated mechanical, electrical, and some chemical systems, which feed the power and cooling to the actual data halls. Beyond this, software, programming, and control systems engineering are used to manage and monitor the servers and the building. My favourite day at MiCiM so far is the first ever Culture Day, which was held at the start of May. This was an opportunity for all employees to get together, try to switch off from our projects and get to know one another. We started the day learning about the MiCiM core values, and then after lunch we did some team building activities and some fun activities like archery. In the evening, we had a barbecue and all chatted, and it was such a fantastic day.